To set up Debank cross-chain support, start by understanding what Debank is and its role in cryptocurrency management. Debank is a comprehensive cryptocurrency wallet and portfolio tracker that allows users to manage their digital assets across multiple blockchain platforms. First, navigate to the Debank website and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on the profile icon and select Settings to begin the setup process. In the Settings menu, look for the Cross-Chain Support option and click on it. Next, you will be prompted to connect your wallets from different blockchain platforms. Debank supports a wide range of wallets, including MetaMask, Ledger, and Trezor, among others. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect each wallet, which may involve scanning a QR code or entering a seed phrase. After connecting your wallets, Debank will automatically detect and import your existing assets. You can then view your cross-chain portfolio, which displays all your assets across different blockchain platforms in one place. This allows for easy tracking and management of your digital assets. To take full advantage of Debank's cross-chain support, make sure to explore the various features available, such as cross-chain swaps, lending, and borrowing. These features enable you to efficiently manage your assets and make the most out of your cryptocurrency investments. It's also important to note that Debank prioritizes security, using advanced encryption and two-factor authentication to protect user accounts. However, it's still crucial to follow best practices, such as using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication, to ensure the safety of your assets. By following these steps and taking advantage of Debank's features, you can easily set up cross-chain support and streamline your cryptocurrency management. Debank's user-friendly interface and comprehensive features make it an ideal platform for both beginners and experienced cryptocurrency investors.